Have you ever wondered why the rich keep getting richer? What secret sauce do they mix into their children's upbringing that sets them on a path of financial prosperity? The disparity in financial education between different households is really astonishing. While schools equip children with fundamental skills, the crucial lessons on money management often start at home. So, if you are a parent or even someone who keeps wondering what went wrong in your life financially, we highly encourage you to watch this video till the end. In this video, we will unravel the top 7 money lessons that affluent parents instill in their children, offering a roadmap to financial wisdom that every parent can navigate. So, drop a like below and let's get started. The number 1 lesson the rich teach their children is about the value of money. Rich parents teach their children the intrinsic value of money from a very tender age. For instance, Bill Gates, despite his immense wealth, has often spoken about not leaving his entire fortune to his children. The goal is to instill a sense of value and appreciation for money. Children are taught to earn their allowances by completing chores, fostering an understanding that money is earned, not freely given. Second lesson the rich teach their kids is about financial literacy. While Johnny is acing algebra, is he equally adept at balancing a checkbook or understanding the dynamics of investment? Affluent parents immerse their children in the world of financial literacy. They are introduced to concepts of budgeting, saving, and investing early on, laying a robust foundation for financial acumen. The lesson number 3 the rich teach their kids is about the power of investment. Warren Buffett bought his first stock at the tender age of 11. The point to be noted here is that the rich don't just save, they invest to grow their wealth. Children of affluent parents are taught the art and science of making money work for them. They learn about stocks, bonds, real estate, and other investment vehicles, understanding risk and reward dynamics from real life scenarios. The fourth and a very crucial lesson the rich teach their kids is about cultivating an entrepreneurial spirit. The fact is, many wealthy individuals are entrepreneurs. They instill this entrepreneurial spirit in their children, encouraging them to think outside the box. Do you know, Elon Musk, a serial entrepreneur, was selling homemade video games at the tender age of 12. This spirit of innovation and business acumen is nurtured not just to create wealth but also to contribute value to the society. The fifth and one of the most important lessons the rich teach their children is about importance of giving. Philanthropy is a common thread among the wealthy. Children are taught not just to earn and accumulate wealth but also the importance of giving back to the society. They learn from their rich parents that the wealth comes with a responsibility to contribute to the betterment of society. The Gates Foundation is a quintessential example showcasing the impact of wealth when channeled for the greater good. The lesson number 6 is about financial independence. Rich parents emphasize the importance of financial independence. Children are encouraged to forge their path, create their wealth, and not rely on inheritance. This lesson fosters resilience, innovation, and a strong work ethic, which are essential traits that underpin financial prosperity. Lastly, the lesson number 7 is about legacy and wealth preservation. Affluent people teach their children about legacy and wealth preservation. It's not just about earning and spending, but also about preserving and growing wealth across generations. Estate planning, wills, and trust become integral lessons, ensuring that wealth is not just accumulated but also preserved and passed down. So, what's stopping us from adopting these invaluable lessons and integrating them into our children's lives? Remember, financial prosperity isn't the exclusive preserve of the affluent. By instilling these lessons in our children, we equip them with tools not just to navigate but to conquer the financial world. It's about laying a foundation that transforms them from passive earners to active wealth creators, from consumers to contributors, and from being financially aware to financially wise. Every parent has the power to gift their children a future of financial prosperity. It starts with a lesson at a time, a step at a time in the journey of financial wisdom. The rich have set a precedent. It's now our turn to take the baton and run with it for the sake of our children's financial future. This brings us to the end of this video. Hope you found good value in it, and if you did, hit on the like and subscribe to our channel for more such insightful videos. And we will see you in our next video.